Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we're working on that Honda Odyssey guys, the generation from 2005 to 2010, and this specifically is 2007 model. We'll show you how to charge the AC system on those. Outside right now guys, okay, let me focus. 130 degrees. That's unbelievable in the sun. 130 degrees, it's so hot right now. So we'll show you guys, okay, how to recharge the system now, how to add more, okay, more Freon if you need to. Okay, we'll put the thermometer here, we'll open the hood, okay, which is located down there. And I'll show you if your system is empty all the way what you need to do. Where to find the information for the AC and the capacity and all that stuff. Okay, once you open the hood guys, okay, let's locate the AC label now. So which is located right there, towards the back. Okay, you can see on the right side of the vehicle, air conditioner system. Some models differ because depending if they have rear AC or not and all that stuff. So as you can see, minimum it requires 0.7 kilograms, maximum is 0.75. Okay, so that's how much the system takes. 1 liter can is 340 grams. Some cans differ, so always make sure the capacity is right. So this one will take about 2 cans, a little bit over 2 cans. We do have some in the system because it's not empty, but it's a little bit low. Okay, so this is where the port is for the low pressure. It's missing the cap, so we'll just go ahead and connect it now. Alright guys, and we'll just keep adding like that, the way it is, you can see. So we're in the green now, okay, about 48 psi, but that's good. Ours was just a little bit low, it will take about half a can to a can. Okay, make sure you don't get in the red, okay, and you can see it already started going down. Right now it's blowing at 60 degrees and it's so hot outside. Okay, let's check this temperature, what this one says. 103 degrees. Alright, 103 and the sensor is in the shade. That's just unbelievable. Okay, it's dropping more, less than 60 right now. So in probably about 90 degrees weather you're going to get down to close to 40 degrees when you drive it after a while, because right now it's so hot in the car, which means every part is hot, the air is hot, so it takes a lot for the AC to cool everything. So we keep emptying the can, okay, right there. We still keep emptying it all the way. Okay, and when you are ready, always turn the engine off. Okay, we're going to turn the engine off before we disconnect it. Okay, because otherwise you can get your hand in the belt and all that stuff. Wear eye protection, wear gloves, because otherwise you can seriously hurt yourself. Okay, let me turn it off so we can disconnect the hose quick. Okay, we just disconnected it. Let's go ahead and turn it back on now. Okay, and let's see what happens now. Okay, it's still dropping. So if your system is empty all the way, you can see 0.7 kilograms, 700 grams of Freon is needed. That's usually after you vacuum the system down or after AC compressor replacement, when you know that the system is completely empty. And make sure you don't overfill it, because you can cause damage to it as well, or it might not run because it has protection not to be overfilled. Some of them do. Okay, so it's about 50, blowing 50 now with 103 degrees weather outside. That's crazy good. So, and that's just not driving the vehicle. When you start driving, you get even better temperature. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.